How to set up and use customizable multi-view on YouTube TV. You want to watch multiple games or shows at once. Here's how to set up customizable multi-view on YouTube TV. First, make sure you're using a smart TV or streaming device. The feature isn't available on phones or desktop. Open the YouTube TV app or go to the Live tab or Top Picks section. Look for multi-view banners showing multiple tiles. Select the multi-view layout you want. YouTube TV groups content by your live channels. To customize, press the left or right arrow. That lets you select a specific game or show for each tile in the layout. Once you've picked your preferred shows, you can adjust audio focus, highlight a tile, and press OK or select. That streams audio mutes the others. You can also resize the tiles and select a channel by pressing up or down, and the layout will shift to your preference. To exit multi-view, press the back button or go to another tab, and that's it. You're watching multiple channels at once with customizable multi-view on YouTube TV. You got your cinema at home. Thanks for watching.